I still remember my first time practicing intermittent fasting. I was playing professional rugby. I had no idea what I was doing. I wasn't sure what would break my fast, what I was allowed to put in my body during my fast. And I was also petrified I was going to ruin an entire day's effort of fasting. But now I know, and today I'm going to share with you all the tips and tricks that I personally use to survive my fasting and most importantly, get the most out of my intermittent fasting every single day. Make sure you sign up for your free intermittent fasting guide. Click the link above. I put this together. It describes everything about fasting, how you can use it to get the most out of your life, and most importantly, feel incredible every single day. Day number 1, you are going for the fast, first time ever, and that tummy starts rumbling. You're getting a little hungry, you're only an hour in, you're looking at everyone eating breakfast, you're getting a little worried, and you're ready to cave. Do not do that. I am going to show you exactly how with this first tip. This is my favorite tip with regards to fasting, and this is how I start every single day. It's with a cup of black coffee. That's all there really is to it. I have a black coffee. First and foremost, coffee will not break your fast, so long as it's black. Yes, whoever said that in the crowd, you want to keep your coffee black. Creamers will break your fast. So we avoid that. You can, however, add some artificial sweetener. I never do. It's not recommended, but don't worry, that will not break your fast. So if you're easing your way into a black coffee, artificial sweetener is one of the ways. Secondly, coffee has so many benefits. It makes you more alert and aware and more energized in the morning. How good's that? You get all the benefits, it blunts the hunger, and it keeps the fasting going. So that's tip number 1. I start every single day with a black cup of coffee. Lean tip number 2 is green tea. For those non-coffee drinkers, green tea is equally as good. Green tea is known to decrease the level of hormones in your body that make you feel hungry. Teas with fruit will break your fast. Obviously there's sugar in them, so you want to avoid any teas that have fruit in them. Stick to your green tea, your black tea. Similarly, both coffee and green tea help mobilize fatty acids. Caffeine in the green tea and coffee give you that fuller feeling. They reduce and blunt your hunger, and ultimately it's gonna make fasting far more enjoyable and easy peasy. Lean tricky number 3 is water, hydration. One of the reasons why people break their fast early is because they are not hydrated enough. And usually when you start feeling that feeling of hunger, it is actually your body telling you that you need to hydrate. A lot of times we think we need to eat for the sake of eating, when in reality we need to get some liquid in our bodies, because staying hydrated is so important. It gives us that feeling of fullness. Second of all, it helps our body function properly. Staying hydrated is crucial to not only a healthy body, but also a healthy metabolism. So, hydrated. 2 to 3 liters of water a day. I know it sounds a lot, but just carry around a water bottle, get it in the belly, and I promise that will aid your fasting journey. Lean tip number 4 is carbonated water. First and foremost, I know what you're thinking. Does it break my fast? I've been asked that many a time. And the answer is no. Carbonated water, 0 calorie, unsweetened, does not break your fast. Fact number 2 is the carbon dioxide in the carbonated water gives you a feeling of fullness. Fact number 3 is it tastes so good and it's really enjoyable. I have it every single day. If you're struggling with either just drinking plain water, you find you're not drinking enough water, carbonated water is a great option. Lean! Tippy number 5 is gum. Gum is one of those lean trickies that I don't rely on all the time, but it has helped tons of squatties. When you're chewing gum, it gives you this sensation of eating food, and it essentially tricks your body into thinking that you're putting those yummy, yummy, yummy itty bitty bits in your belly when we're really not. But make sure that gum is unsweetened. 0 calorie gum is very important. Next tippy is mindset. We have been told and conditioned over the last 20, 30, 40, 50 years that we need to start our day with breakfast, when in reality, that just isn't the case. I wake up every single day and I know I'm not having breakfast. I know I'm doing my workout fasted, and honest to God, do not think about eating breakfast at all. I do not miss it one bit, and instead I feel so much better. So you just gotta tell yourself, especially when you're just starting out, rewards far outweigh any of the short-term benefits of eating breakfast. Finally, if you are struggling with fasting, you've used all the things I've told you about, the coffee, the green tea, the water, the carbonated water, the gum, and you find like it's really not working for you, then my last and final tip is stay busy. Generally, the times we overeat and the times we feel hungry are when we're done work, we're hanging around and we have nothing to do, and all of a sudden something switches in the brain and we think we need to eat to stay busy. That is not the case. If you are busy, especially in the mornings at work, you will actually be more productive when you are fasting. Fasting has been shown to increase productivity, increase energy levels. So focus on staying busy in the mornings, getting everything you can done before you get home, and I promise it'll make the fast go by just like that. So squaddies, those are all my tips and tricks regarding how to get through your first few fasts and also how to sustain fasting for the rest of your life. All those things I talked about will not break your fast, so you can enjoy them guilt-free, knowing that your body is burning like crazy. If this video helped you, please comment below. Let me know what you think. And also, finally, make sure you sign up for the free intermittent fasting guide, because that will explain fasting in more detail. Last but not least, if you want to learn more about the Lean Squad and the 90-day lean plan, how recipes tailored to you can help you get healthier, fitter, and more confident, then check out www.lean-squad.com, because this year is gonna be extra